Hey guys, so in honor of Valentine's Day, we're going to be making some heart-shaped animals. So to get started, we're going to need some cardstock, a Sharpie or a pen or a pencil works as well, cookie cutters as stencils, glue, and then our lovely googly eyes. I mean, who doesn't love googly eyes? Come on now. So let's get started. So we're just going to take our small cookie cutter and just trace all around it. And you should get something that looks like that. And we're going to do the same with the larger cookie cutter. So now we're going to take our scissors and we're just going to cut out the heart shapes that we traced with our stencils. And it's pretty straightforward. It's super simple, super easy. Anybody can do it, guys. Now, after we finish cutting, our heart should look something like this. And we're going to take our stencil again and we're going to trace right over that. We're going to squeeze it a little bit just to get a skinnier heart. And then we're going to trace that stencil again. And as you can see, one is skinnier than the other. So now we're going back to more tracing. And now we're going to take our little stencil and do some more tracing. Now that all our hearts are cut out, Peyton dropped a little screw right there. We're going to make the smaller heart just a little bit skinnier. And you can kind of gauge it if you don't want to make it too small. Just about that size. And then we're going to fold our light pink heart in half and just trim the edges just to make sure that both sides are even. And then we're going to fold it back and forth just to make it easier for us when we cut. So we're going to take the skinnier red heart and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to trim the edges. But we want to make sure the red heart is smaller than the pink heart, so we need to do some more cutting. Let's see if this works. Just a little bit more. Perfect. So now we're just going to cut these hearts in half. And now the fun part. So let's just clean up a little bit, get our other pink heart. So now we're going to take the halves that we cut and we're going to glue them onto the light pink half that we cut as well. And then we're going to do the same for the other side. So now we have two ears. So now we're going to take the white heart and we're going to stick it under right there to make some nice little teeth. And then we're going to take that little red heart and make the little nose. And now we're just going to glue the ears on. We are almost finished. Now we're going to take our glue gun and glue on these nice little eyes for this little fella. Now we're going to have a nice little bunny rabbit. So moving on to the next, we're going to need black, blue, and white cardstock. So we're going to take our large cookie cutter and just start tracing again. So I'm just going to jump ahead for you guys. After you finish drawing, you should have one white heart, 2 black hearts, and 3 blue hearts. The blue heart should be 1 small, 1 medium, and 1 larger one. So now we're going to take the white and the black heart and we're going to trim the edges. And this is because the white heart is going to be glued on top of the black heart. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut a triangle into the side of both hearts. So it should look something like that. Now we're gonna take the white heart and then we're gonna cut a little bit into it, and then we're gonna cut another triangle down, and you'll see what I'm talking about in a few seconds after I'm finished. And then you're gonna cut straight across. So your piece should look just like that. Now we're gonna take that white piece, if I can get it on the right way, we're gonna take that piece and glue it on top of the black piece. And all the edges should meet up pretty well. And now we're gonna take that black piece and put it right in between the white and the black piece of the heart to make a nice little tail. Now time for the little blue ones. So we're gonna glue each heart on top of each other, going smallest to largest. And you should get something that looks like that. And now we're just gonna glue it right in the middle of that heart. Now we're just gonna get the glue gun and we are going to stick on the eye. And now we have a nice little whale. So cute. So now we're gonna go to our next and final animal. We are gonna trace 4 pink small hearts. Next, we're just gonna do 1 big purple heart. And then we're gonna do 3 small orange hearts. So after you're done, it should look something like this. So we're just gonna take 2 of the small pink hearts and just cut the edges again. Just make sure they're nice and even. So we're gonna take one of the pink hearts and we're gonna fold it in half and we're gonna make it super, super, super tiny. About that size. And then we're gonna take this heart and we're just gonna cut it down just a little bit. Just a little bit bigger than the smaller heart that we just did. So fold it in half and just make it a tiny bit smaller. So now we're gonna take 2 of the orange ones and we're gonna make sure that they're nice and even. And then we're actually gonna make these just a tad bit smaller. They're kind of on the big side for what we need them for. And this one we're gonna fold in half and make pretty small. Perfect. So now we're gonna take the big pink hearts and put it on either side and we're gonna glue them down. And then we're just gonna fold it on the back. And then we're gonna do the same for the other side. Fold it on the back. Now we're gonna take the large orange ones and we're gonna do the same, but we're gonna put them at the bottom. And we're gonna fold them back. And the same for this one. And fold it back. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna trim it. Perfect. Now we're gonna take that medium heart and put it right at the tip of our large purple heart. And for this guy, we're gonna fold the top halves of the heart down And we're gonna glue it down, but we want it to still be poking up a little bit, if that makes sense. So I'm putting my finger right in the middle. So now I'm gonna take that last little baby heart and put it right dead center. Now we're gonna get our glue gun, put some glue on there, stick our eyes on. And now we have a nice little chicken. So make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment which one was your favorite.